Dear students, in this unit, we will talk about the diversification of SAR group, which is one of the largest group of protists. Now, in this unit, we will take the example of Plasmodium as the typical organism in the diversification of SAR. Now, we all know that Plasmodium is a parasite. It's a unicellular organism which is the reason of cause of malaria in millions of peoples worldwide. Now, Plasmodium is basically belongs to phylum Complexa, which is formerly phylum Sporozoa, and it is probably the largest taxon of protist group. Now, Plasmodium is an intracellular obligatory parasite, which means that it can only reproduce inside the liver and red blood cells of humans. Now, it spends most of the time, as I have told, that inside the liver and red blood cells of the humans, and it keeps on changing its surface proteins as to evade the human immune system. Now, more than 300 million people, they are infected with malaria worldwide because mosquitoes carry this Plasmodium from affected person to the healthy persons, and all the tropical regions where there are more mosquitoes, malaria spreads without any boundaries. Now, up to 2 million people die every year because of this malaria, and Plasmodium is the main cause. As you see the life cycle of Plasmodium, how it enters humans and how it affects them. As you can see that the female Anopheles mosquito, which carries Plasmodium, infects a healthy humans. So the sporozoites or the parasites which are present in the saliva of mosquito, it reaches the blood, the liver through our blood. Now what happens that inside the liver cells, this parasites reproduces asexually, and it bursts the cells and release thousands of new parasites. Now, after releasing from the liver cells, it goes to the red blood cells where it does the same thing. It reproduces asexually inside the red blood cells, and after multiplying into hundreds, it bursts the red blood cells and it comes out. Now, after completing these asexual reproductive stages, what happens that some of the sporozoites, they convert into male gametocytes and the other converts into female gametocytes. Now, these male and female gametocytes, they fuse with each other and they combine, and it becomes, they are synthesized, they are located inside the mosquito. Now, whenever this mosquito bites another human being and it transfers the normal healthy human being, it transfers Plasmodium into that one. Now what happens, as you can see here, this is the salivary gland of this mosquitoes. After multiplying in the salivary glands, it transfers along with the saliva to infect another healthy human being. This is how it completes its life cycle.